What's going on, YouTube? All right, so today I guess this is kind of like a story time, or story of what has been going on or what happened with the scat. I finally got it back and everything a few weeks ago, but I feel like it was only right to do a video explaining everything that happened, what happened. So as you can see from some of these first clips here, on May 14th, I got into an accident on the highway. It was a hit and run. This guy just hit me out of nowhere, like 60, 70 miles per hour, and the car had spun out like a bunch of times. So basically, these clips that you're seeing now are after I recovered the car, but let me get into that. So basically, after I got into the accident, I had sent it to this guy, this mechanic. I heard he did good work, right? But what I didn't know was the guy is unreliable. Was I don't know what horrible job. Dude disappeared for like a month after he got the first check. Then he said the car was gonna get done. He kept telling me that, and my stupid ass was, believing him. So I should have never taken the car there in the first place. But the car ended up there for 3 months, literally without any work being done to it. The guy got like the first check, like I said, disappeared, then asked for more money, and then disappeared again. When I didn't even know he asked for like a supplement check. And then I talked to my dad. He's like, yo, you got to cancel that before you got to take some more money. It doesn't even like reappear. So for literally 2-3 weeks, I'm calling the guy over and over, literally every day, going to the shop, trying to get my car out of there. And bro, my car was literally there for 3 months. Nothing was done to it. All my friends asking me, yo, what's going on with the scat and everything. So I finally got fed up, literally from May all the way until like September or something like that. I was like, bro, if I keep waiting, this car's just gonna keep sitting and sitting here. So I talked to the landlord, police, literally all the people I could have talked to. Authorities did not want to help. So the landlord, grimy guy, bro, I'm trying to tell you, the landlord, I told him, bro, let me just get my car out of there. The mechanic is the one that gotta give you the money now, right? So I don't know why he was asking me for money. He was like, I gotta get with the law and everything, get a you know what are those things? A warrant to get my car. That makes no sense. There's no probable cause to get a warrant out of the car out of there. The mechanic's not gonna show up to get the car out of there. So basically, I was like, yo, like, let's be real. Like, how much money? I know you. If I give you money, you're gonna give the car. He's like, yeah. If you give me some money, I was like, all right, how much you want? The guy was like 5,000. Like, yo, I'm not paying 5,000 just to get a car that has no work has been done to out of there. And then kept talking to him more and more. He lowered it to 2,000. That's still ridiculous to get a car out of there for like I said, literally to get the car out just to get it out. Like, it's so stupid. But I paid the 2,000 because I was like, my dad was telling me, he was like, if you end up doing like, paying for a lawyer, doing lawyer fees to do like a civil court case to get the car out of there, probably gonna take more time and more money. And real quick, as you can see, all these clips are basically my dad, my grandpa, and I working on the car. As you can see, the car's finally running in this clip. But literally, if you rewind it back to some of the first clips, that was basically me taking it out of the mechanic's spot. The landlord helping us get it out. Like I said, super, two-faced guy talking about he's gonna help, but only if there's money involved. So literally was mad about that, having to give up $2,000 just to get a car out. Like I said, that no work was done to it. But after I got it out, luckily the supplement check that I canceled, my dad has an LLC, so I was able to send it to my dad so we could work on the car. I still had to pay even more money out of pocket, so literally ridiculous just to end up fixing this car. But like, I guess I'll go over the clips now. So my dad finally got it up and running. The guy, the mechanic, was a stupid guy, bro, grimy guy. Didn't even order the right hood. He ordered a SXT hood for the Scatpack just to save money and keep more money to himself. If I find that guy, trust me, some crazy stuff's gonna go on with him. But he lucky I probably won't find him ever, and I don't even care to really look for him anymore. It's really stupid at this point. In this clip, as you can see, it's mainly just sanding the car out, trying to repaint it. And luckily, my dad knows how to paint this stuff pretty good. If I would have had to find somebody to do this, probably would have been like 2-3K even more out of pocket. The hood, as you saw there, the hood was fixed. We had to weld it back together. The original hood, because like I said, he ordered a new hood. We ended up trading the new hood he ordered to get a guy to help us out paint, instead of paying him like straight up cash. Obviously, the paint's not gonna come out 100% perfect because we did it ourselves, but I think the car came out pretty good, to be fair, after fixing and everything. Like, this is literally never having experience, never fixing up a car. Like, literally, you know, my dad did a stupid good job on this car. Came out really clean, as you can see in this clip here. Like, that car just looks brand new right there, man. Looks super nice. The wheels, I ended up getting new wheels for the back. I don't have the clips, but I ended up getting new wheels. The Mickey Thompson's 305s cost me about $800 just for a new pair of wheels. You already know I print them things out. If you've been watching my latest videos, if you haven't, go watch them, go subscribe, go like and comment on them, guys. More content coming on the way. But yeah, as you can see, this is the finished result. Like I said, stupid story. Like, literally, that's a expensive life lesson right there. Take it, guys. If you get into an accident, take it to somebody that is reputable, that you know does good work. Like, literally, not only by you, but like by a bunch of people that have good reviews, like a big company, big corporation. Don't take it to no small mom and pop shop unless you know them personally, that they don't do stupid stuff. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.